Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back from Virtual Insanity Effects. Insanity Films here, and today we're gonna open and unbox the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. So without further ado, let's open it. I got it from their website and the price is really good compared to the original one. So let's open this big boy. There we go. Ooh. Nice box. Can you guys see it? So let's take it out of the box. We can get rid of this. Wowie. Nice. There you go. And it's a pretty, wow. The portrait mode, which I will never use probably. And yeah, let's open this thing. What's inside? You guys ready? Got this. They put this in every package now. We got it. So let's open this bad boy up. Da, 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 da. And 1, 2, 3. Let's get rid of the box. Wow. I love the case. There we go. Ta-da! Woohoo! Okay, I was expecting more things inside. Got a cable, USB to whatever it is. Sorry, I don't know the specification very well yet. And the device itself. Woo! Wow, feels so weird. If you guys never used one of these, well, it really feels weird. It feels like magnetic. It's like magnets everywhere. But yeah, I was expecting more things. Oh, there you go. Yeah, well, manuals. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and I'm gonna give it a go right away. If you want me to make a full review about this new gadget, well, let me know in the comments down below, and remember to subscribe, like and share as usual. Yeah, I was expecting more things inside, but I don't know, I have to check some videos and stuff. I think that's it, right? Cool. Well, stay tuned for more videos as usual. Subscribe, blah blah blah. See you guys.